I recently did a video about publishing to the web for slides. That's the thing that I publish more often than not. However, I wanted to show you a couple tricks about publishing sheets to the web so that other people can see them. I use this a lot when I am making lists that I want my students to look at, and this way they can see only what I want them to see in the list. So to publish any file to the web, you go to File, Publish to the web. It's going to give you a couple options. You can choose Link or you can choose Embed. When you choose Embed, you're going to get the embed code that you could put into a website or another type of site that you have going on. We use it on our student management system a lot. When you are in Sheets, you have a couple of options. You can publish the entire spreadsheet, which allows the users to see all of the tabs in your sheet. You can also choose to publish individual sheets. This is what I use because a lot of the times I want them to see one instance, but I don't want them to see everything that I have in the spreadsheet. So if I want them to just see my linear equation calculator, I would select that tab. You can choose to have it publish as a PDF or a web page. Usually I do web page if they're going to look at it online. When you do publish contents and settings, you can again have it select just a part of it. And you can also have it automatically republish when changes are made. I usually have this selected because if I make a change, I want people to be able to see it. Now when you click publish, yes, I do want to publish it, it's going to give me the link. So now if I share this link with anyone, they're going to be taken to a website view of that particular sheet. It only publishes what's there, so it's not going to show a lot of extraneous cells, which is kind of nice, and it gives you the title. One thing you need to be careful of is that the URL starts with the URL of my spreadsheet. So if I were a savvy user, I could delete part of the URL and access the entire spreadsheet again. This is something that came up because my kids went, oh, hey, I can see everything. And if it was shared with anyone with the link can view, they could see everything. However, if it's not shared with a person, I'm going to switch accounts for a minute here. I'm going to paste in that published URL again. I can see this published version. But now, if I delete the published portion of the URL, I'm going to get an error message. Oh, I don't have permission. I can only see what they wanted me to see, which was the published version. So that's something you want to think about when you are publishing individual tabs as opposed to entire spreadsheets. Just a reminder that you can also publish documents to the web. I'm just going to show it to you really quickly in this video because it's not quite as exciting as publishing sheets or presentations. Again, you go to File, Publish to the web. You can choose Link or Embed again. This time, since it's a document, I don't get any options to choose to publish just part of the document. And when you get Publish, you get a URL that takes you to an HTML view of that document. I don't use this quite as much because it does change the formatting a little bit and it stretches it to fit in the window. However, it's something that you might want to think about doing if you ever want to share a document with people without sharing the document with people. So that's how to publish sheets and documents to the web.